Soda kamnandi dali yukisebo mashopi uzokutshela ufonani ngoba mina ngichuze music ngizophusha music yangithola so ngingadistracteki ngibona abantu bathola izinto nami sengizifuna so ngazenzela ingoma self yangithola yeah ayuba bakunasareta intwana yami yasimpilo my better uthi yophanda qale kuyanetha isibani ngibaya lokukhetha ishit manje uphilisiye vector lalithe ngoba impilo izoba better Chop. Ikubu elikubuza abanye mawuhlanya ngami emoyeni study. Awuyebo.
Ngizosirate yabo ingoma zakho. Kama honest rating ngabuya.
Awe.
Ngirate out of 10.
Angayite.
Out of 10.
Yeah.
Out of 10 according to izinto engicede ukuzimamela manje.
Sure.
1
out of 5. 1 out of 10.
Yeah. You can't be an artist.
Ekawa andan iblog uthine.
Friend.
Yo.
This is your music. Drop the ball.
Utshela.
Show with spelling. Daga manje umoshi thathu yami.
Ndwada bami.
Engcono kune.
Kunini?
Aw. Khulu. Wakhulu buthi.
Man,
What up YouTube?
Bingo's danger.
It's your boy Petrosificationalism. I am back again to another bang. Guys, as in born, today is so I can't do the video I planned for you guys for today. So Sajiga Lento. Today I'm doing another video for you. So today's video kahle ngizobhala intwana kanmeni kodwa relax la ngithi boy angimamelisa ingoma zakho ibe ngathi like ngiyam introduce to the world yabo angimamelisa ingoma zakhe sisijayela ingoma zakhe ngithola sivayibena ingoma zakhe lele egcineni ngithi boy ingoma zakho no like ucula ngazi boy delete zonke lezo ngoma nje ngibe and then obviously know ukuthi want to catch a reaction, but support my boy Gunman, Charlie Gomez on. Support Petrosificationalism. Let's get into the video.
Everybody want to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.
Be free. I spend my time alone.
Koga kuzwaga dima Inti koga kuzwaga
In the real life.
Kambani ushaba mablog
Now obviously, yeah, day in the life again. Guys, so I'm Gunman. Bafuna ukucaba yabo. Abantu bami.
Aya bafethu. Sengikuya phansi. What's up good people? It's your boy Gunman Gogo. Nakanjalo nakanje. Sure.
Wenza ini?
La kanjani?
Ngapha wena.
Isiflop angkhona ukudla ngikhuluma ngithanda. I prepare ngizotha mangiqeda sometime.
Like kwenzani nje in general.
In general. Didn't share music though, ngithanda. Yeah, full time musician. Ekuseni ebusuku mangidla. Anyway.
Okay, bakuthola kanjani?
Gunman Gogo on all social media platforms bafethu. All.
Follow Gunman now on my social media platforms. Yeah, so I was just like, I'm a hit nyana mbala.
Amit kanjani?
Ingoma zakho.
Ngishaya ingoma zami. Let's
Uyakwazi freestyle.
Yeah, ngiyakhona freestyle.
Sifaka ingoma.
Ngifaka beats. Awes ngashaya. Awes ngashaya.
Connect na phone yakho la. Oh, ngifaka beats stuff. manje uzofaka yiphi beat qala
ngicapha mfana
Sing.
ngiyayitrack lamanzi
Okay, yeah.
ngathi ngisayi la engancanyami nothing
Waskip it to lama partners on there.
sure nacaba it obvious ama-fans angithola ngicaba kancanyana ngithana maka kuphela nami nengancanyana ngishaya ngakubana ngakho
Uwashashwa mama. So saya qale uza ngabebo maqhenyana. Maka lawo mncanywa khona iphathi yancanywa khona. Usho ukuthi leli yini usiyafaka simamele yabo.
babithi leli ufunana ngithola
Ana bangilambi la. Ngena kusayi.
ayikayo yakubuyisela kwiziki aphe 80
TH.
le aish
Wala benga famina.
ya nali checking ngancanyana arophonka amatrack wami leli blessing lelinyancanya ngitsana abaningi bathi ngibhala intombazana mara ingondami nje beyibhala njalo bathi ufonani ya ufonani baby girl ngitshela ufonani aish ufonani angitshele ufonani ufuna bomasket namabisi angitshele daddy please namhlanje siphume kasindleni ikhombe eParis Nike Sokis funani intombazane ucheese funani intombazane ucheese funani intombazane ucheese Nike imali samsoda kamnandi dali yukisebo mashopping uzokutshela ufonani imali sekunemali samsoda kamnandi dali yukisebo mashopping uzokutshela ufonani ufonani uzokutshela ufonani asambe kanje ufonani uzokutshela ufonani ya leli kancane
Khona leli ngifuna ukuzisele khona leli leli ngiziselinge mfethu.
ngithi ngifaka link track bafethu mina ngifaka la bafethu engathandayo angithanda yeah leli bafethu ngilibhalele last year for inkathi zano yantsana yeah leli personal leli bafethu yeah
Kola kintatha zanu kanjani?
like others
Pause la.
like kanjani ngitshele
Ngicela kintatha zanu kanjani like
Aish. Overs izolo bengishaya I mean last year bengishaya matric yantsana so ngibele ngabona ukuthi indlela iyavaka ukuthi after matric ngizobuya yekasi ngoba mina ngichoose music ngizophusha music yangithanda so ngingadistricteki ngibona abantu bathola izinto nami sengizifuna so ngazenzela ingoma self yangithanda so yilo leli vele yeah
How to sleep.
leli ngiyancanya le Twana yami yasipilo mayibheda uthi uyophanda qale kuyanetha isibani ngibaya lokukhetha shoot manje uphilisi effector hlala ethembeni ngoba impilo izoba better ayishuye wakhetha usamhlabeni baningi bazokhetha yeah ayuba bakunasareta twana yami yasipilo mayibheda uthi uyophanda qale kuyanetha isibani ngibaya lokukhetha shoot manje uphilisi effector hlala ethembeni ngoba impilo izoba better inkosi nawe oh Sure, la little bit of videos are better. Ayuba bakunasareta. La little bit. I feel ngong with ever papita limplesi this song I love it so much. Ayuba bakunasareta.
Manje proper ni.
Oh, but senzo tropa ku YouTube and so this those are my distributions uzibona green yeah. Nung tropa ku YouTube kuphela. When you shooting music video ngithola ngapha iseka mara this month ngiyayitropa leli on my YouTube channel like very excited bafethu.
Channel stay tuned bafethu.
Mangicala kuma video ngithi this one is for my fans angithanda. Nale ngoma is for my fans bafethu. Phela my fans kuphela. Sure namajita phela. Awe.
Your fans namajita.
Amajita bathi amajita azobamela ngemistake angithanda. Azobona ukuthi ale track namazen. Then nesika phela. Life changing song bafethu. Yeah, most of my friends are my car this weekend, so yeah, I'm going to support.
I'm a fans, ne? But a good way to say it is I'm a supporter. From now on, it's I'm a supporter.
My supporters ngibonge for the views enilethe ukusika bafethu. Asambe kanje. Cho, ebathi seka nabo vele besoda. Sika ke lokho makanda siyafika. Sika ebathi bidi biyajika. So the baliseka pede kusika. Sika nabo vele besoda. Sika ke lokho makanda siyafika. Sika ebathi bidi biyajika. So the baliseka pede kusika. Sika bopa. Sika bopa. Sika. Cho, sika bopa. Sika bopa. Sika bopa. Siga bopa, siga bopa, siga bopa, siga.
Thank you.
Ay ngoma zami ngiyazinganya baby.
Sino shy bad.
Awuyebo.
Ngizosirate yabo ingoma zakho. Kama honest rating yabuya.
Yeah. This is what I need young South Africa. And whatever I sure ngizoyicoba ngithola like a man yayicoba. I digest young son. Then yeah. Kwenzakala. Ngathi yabuya buya. Asambe kanje. Sika bopa, sika. Bafuna ubona ugani mina uzobanika. Mntwana yami, jika majika. Lo mntana vele we-gold digger. Ufuna imali mina ngizokunika. Aphesi kwaba ujengencika. Emawufika mntwana sokusika. Mawunomola mntwana sokusika. Sika bopa, sika bopa, sika. Sika bopa, sika. Tula dawi jack. Sika bopa, sika bopa, sika bopa. Bese sithi nentwana. Sayisika. Yo bafethu.
Alright, liku AUD.
Yo. Ekangishakamani kulist abaningi.
Guys, supporteni umfana wami.
Yeah, kalikupa bafethu.
Then supporteni.
I can't Cho. Ikubu elikubu sabanye. Mawuhlanya ngami emoyeni stade. Ngikaphe, isizweni ngibise nabelungu bahlanye. Ikubu elikubu sabanye. Mawuhlanya ngami emoyeni stade. Ngikaphe, isizweni ngibise nabelungu bahlanye. Cho. Kubu awuyebo. Sayibhilda le momentum. Cho. Kubu awuyebo.
Lila likaphuma.
Likaphuma. Ekathatha babnadi. Sabuya. Ambethe ngomqolo. Uzongenzani ungeke phela izolo. Nika wangaphenduke ngamadolo. Uzona mina white boy. Wase wayisona ambethe ngomqolo. Uzongenzani ungeke phela izolo. Nika wangaphenduke ngamadolo. Uzona mina white boy. Ambethe ngomqolo.
Abafana bami. Anyukae pia sana. Ketwana mthingo nje sabo. So nasikhathi singakanani ushaye music poison?
Music. In general.
Yes.
Singicala amapiano fe. Kanye ngishaya amapiano.
Ushaye hip hop.
Yeah, ngiyashaya. Ngizorelease i-channel sasekhona ku YouTube. Nabo ma 6 subscribers ngizorelease ama ngithola. Yeah, ingoma zami ze hip hop da. Mara mapiano ngicale 2024. Yeah, lead it out.
2020 band.
2026. 22 years.
So Boshachi 11.
Yeah, that's 11.
Okay. So music is he expecting go channel yakho leso le channel yakho na?
Sure. So ngizo update ama fans mara I think the court date is 25 April. That's the court date. 25 April, go. Yeah. That's the court date. Then go keep up. Nazareth,
yeah, but be honest.
Honest, never.
Never say everything for you. Kaya am advice.
Sure.
So, ngoma zakho so zingizimamele kanje. For the first time that mamela
listening session, train.
Listening
session.
Attentively.
Oh.
Rate out of 10.
Angayitene.
Out of 10.
Yeah.
Out of 10, according to isn't incredible Mamela Man.
Sure.
1.
1 out of 10. 1 out of 10.
That's why.
Eh.
Very low one low is because of Mamela. Low one lay in
Sure.
return. Because of football.
Abe ilate ngakali baka mara.
1. Yeah, so I think
1 like overall la matrek ngwashayile.
yeah, and then like
Nama.
music.
Unabaga
Like
bafethu.
music.
Ah.
Music is your music boy. I'm telling you English, you know, like your music is ass.
Nice.
It's trash, bro.
Ay, ikaw.
I must say.
Yeah.
Shit.
Ikaw, YouTube channel. Upetro ka like kade ngakaqeda ukudla ngitsana. Ngaqeda ukudla so buye simamelise biye ngathi indlala ibangulaka.
Ngicedile ukucabalisa spider ngithi sishaya so.
Va.
Nasta.
Da show super.
Uzophiliwe
Ane kuzoshaya kahle.
Yo.
Okay, show mara
Yeah,
ka
but
wa
back to business ntwana yami. I think ntwana maybe manga yenza like ziningi izinto ongazenza no yabo bomama lungisa imoto la
ende ka smile ikhambani userazi ka
yeah ntwana until ingoma zakho ka
hayi mlenye phela ka imusic life yami phela ma disrespect music with disrespect mina
Music life yakho.
ende ka na hayi ngizochinja no why
it means
like music life yami like you
it means get a life
yo I it will go
because you have a life get a much better one.
So
Bantwana
no
like
pizza yeah.
Music yakho ntwana like it's I'm sure nami ngayenza kancane.
Yo ngizamele no
Okay.
Stisan
Yeah.
okay sure sa freestyle yithi ka okay sure bafit no sengikhona ku Petro TV maka I think imali yenza ngcono la mafaka iCV omara emabox nje bafuna ukuthenga wama CD ngoba Petro mabambona they can't see me sure
If it's not bangona they can't see you
yeah.
because you don't have to be me. Just be you. The music is ass. But I won't argue with you. Just take a trash and put your music inside before I slide.
Bathi qina ndoda qina Petro manje sakaqala uba nesidina they can't see me ngikushaya fast nguJohn Cena okay maka sharp bafethu seka snow bafethu with my music is ass na mina ngivumi ka why
No, but I'm gonna like try something else. Yeah,
hayi ka
I'll try something
hayi baba
and so Nekho kuzwakala ungavela uchubeke
yo
kahle ibiside ngicela kuzwakala ntwana nami yabo because no maqiniso ntwana nami like singakadvise njengorhot mandla yabo yeke music your music boy like awukwazi ukushaya imculo like yeke
yahlanya wena ka
uyeke
Lopiyaciselele ndekayo
No, like-
izongena uyikhanda
No, like-
maka don't think hayi baba
uyeke boy
hayi
uyeke ntwana
yo hayi ka
ori majavi ballet
Javi ballet nyeki music ngijavi ballet hayi
ziningi izinto
Hayi,
azenza
Ikaw.
yakho ufuna ukudlala ibasketball
eka mangihleka kuba khulu
phela or stage
stage
usase
kamba
staging manje
stage sokuthola kuzithola bika phela
but the music
Ekang,
is not
okay.
the one.
Wena uqale nini like from Dal?
In music,
From Dal ubona ukuthi hayi qale yaba fit.
ukuthi angithi bengingakamameli ceda ukumamela manje so
Oh.
shaky. I mean, I like being honest, so shaky.
Okay, sharp. Ushilo yonke into ishile ngithola. Mina I think ukuthi nje hayi asi-target audience yami njaka. Khona abantu abangiphethe la ngaphandle njaka ende ngibonga bona nje ukuthi vele ngisazodropa futhi ngithola. Yeah, down.
Yeah, so mawudropa fade uvele udropele ngale ngasetaspeed.
Oh. Yo, shaka ba punchline.
Udrope lapha music, drope lapha lo music yakho nginto ntwana because eish.
Ekang, okay. Le video le yan kamba like.
No, but video I mean
Just
it's a day in my life yabo ukuthi ngiqhubeka nge-life yami but since now the necessity sisimamele ne-music yakho na I thought mina bezoba fire like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
Fire. Kanjalo.
Chin.
Boom boom boom. Tabayala ka twada Okay. On ukuthi like ngiyayicacisa indaba engomeni or just mele ngimane ngikhulume nje. Oma 1 2 3 4 ABC.
No, like when as a whole you can't be an artist. You need to be an artist's friend.
Next chance kan swara.
You have to be an artist's friend.
Kamba antukul. Ekawa
You have to
andan.
be
Iblok
an
ukuthi ne.
artist's friend.
Yo.
Not the artist. Yeah, but
Ay, kaw.
fanele ukuba artist kumele ube umngani we-artist. Artist ubaqala wakho uhamba naye uphuza amahayini. Mfana.
Okay, ne. Mina ka ngiyakuthola yenze kanje ngithola. In real life,
Akuna teacher kuyakutshela.
kuthini?
It was like, hey,
Music.
fundani because of kafanele feditha school nhlophatla kunalo leblo wathi wena wajiva okay utrajiva for F awufeditha school obvious athi awufeditha school utrajiva for F teacher said we'll never make it. I send my workbook to a checkbook.
Away.
I put food on the table and I did that without a cookbook. I'm rich and they fucking hate it. But rather looking mad, I'm just looking good. I feel like flexing my easy to this. When I'm gonna do something else, because of like your music and your language is as a class, but your music, yes, your music is ass. Yes, so to peanuts are out. So yeah.
Is it going to be based on constructive criticism or just state around it?
It's not constructive criticism is, I mean, the music is ass, but it can be better.
Ooh,
Yours
man,
is ass straight. Give up, quit. Young talk.
Ngiyakuthola.
Phela ngisho amabhitu wakho amabhitu
asikhulume ke something else ka
amabhitu akho angihambi ukudlula lesinkwa lesidla sekota aba yeah boy so in decision ozoyithatha no
into yenzeni
decision oyithatha no
like it's a lot to handle ka yangizana beng expect abantu bangitshela mara if ngitshela uwe ka I don't know if ngireactile ngifuna ukureacta ngakhona aish akane ndaba yangikwatisa njalo ngoba ngifile ukuthi music if it disrespect music yami disrespect mina because ngiyangithola ngifaka a lot into le music engiyenzayo ngithola so I don't know ka ukuthi ish just nje stop afile ukuthi kanjalo
masithubeke if music ya disrespect
sure
if music ya disrespect means now you're disrespected.
Sure, God.
So you are your music.
I am my music.
Means your ass.
I come. A bit.
No, God.
Kamba.
Whoa.
No, ngifuna ukusondela grand ekamereni ntwana.
Okay, but ungawazi mntwana yabo. Sonke ntwana like besinamaphupho lawo failile.
Yo.
Abo.
Kathi ngiyenzeni kanamhlanje kayo.
But yeah, it is what it is, man. Just carry on with your life.
I feel it, guy.
This is the worst music engingayizwa from upcoming, bro.
Yo.
I'm told. Naza
Eka like basikhuluma iqiniso ne beku-best makathi yo music manje bakaloku ayidoti sihamba fit
No, like
kunyangikwati enge
ngifuna understand.
okay ufuna ngi-understand sengiya-understand I know that like asikhulume ngenye into ka ugcinile ubona uprincipalisa singakufundeli ukhulume naye something better uyenze dog.
Yeah, obvious. Okay, feel yeah, you're right.
Yeah, ka ngoba nebombi
ngikhala ngingoma
Yo.
yami. Bangazi bampheka ngiyamqava. So like mangazi mamela. Let's try. Yeah, ntwana I'm like ingoma zakho zakhini.
shapa uthama
That's key.
I do yabo.
Yeke mic. Drop the mic. Drop the mic. Drop the mic.
But stop akawa
No,
man.
like I'm
So-
there, boy. Every time I'm drop a something, uhlalo yazi ukuthi it's your music. This is your music. Drop the mic.
Utshela vida kubi yakuthola ngiqeda ukumdisrespect
Ajushake kodwa.
akusayifuni kodwa leyo ka plus my appetite ka man tola stop
Yeah,
music sure kawaii ka sikhulume ngenye into kawaii it's just a Ikaw nagzovaya mina.
Whoa!
Nagzovaya, nagzovaya.
It's scared.
Man, tukulo ka stop.
scared. Look how whoa, he's scared.
Man,
So
kawaii.
fast.
Ikaw din tama. Ikaw iba ka dyan.
No, like drop something. Drop saka, stands, drop, air suspension. Drop your music. Uzawukuketcha iketche kabi.
Okay,
So
sure.
to music kwakho mntana, I'm like there's no point. Like I say Vig.
Big up, ay. Ngizile into bofuna ukuyisho yangithanda. Yeah, ka. Then what? Ngeke music ngoba my music is ass. Nothing ka.
Basically.
Like
Basically.
yandlula tonto ikhulumayo chaka.
Yenzani?
Ayikabi yandlula njalo. Like ayikahliki ekhanda ukuthi kamampela ka. I don't know if kamampela or who be hate ngithona and the ka in the
Mina I don't hate.
it's in hate L hater Petro bafita ngiyakhana.
I'm not a hater. I'm just a big brother. Drop it. Drop the mic.
As long as ngangithitwa wangiyangithita tathi ukuthi uyakubopha kamampela. Tukule ka. Man so xabana mapha ikaw khamba ay makancane ikaw ay
Okay, sure.
ikaw asha video kidding ikaw okay if ne I feel disrespected kokugcina ka mina ngizovala ngitona yeah kaya ngizovala ka.
Okay, still, how's your day been going?
How's my day been going? How's my day been going?
In Islum. Islum, ugathi suqaka.
How's your day going so far? It is simple.
How's your day been going?
6-7 account. It is going great and so. Yeah, it's going great.
nami Nkosi.
Also, die going.
Ngathi phupha kanzima le question isho fast.
Also, die going.
Okay, so like Matei was like, yeah, it was going good
Sharp and Chaka.
until
Until Ekai edagaja dai. Tada ka no ba unfair tana no le kai. Ba unfair ka. Ikawan tana ka. Nang pumanga
ya
tana.
traffic kuchu konjile
Ambili ngewo.
pistol pistol but
Phela gathi English bele sibisane kaka.
postal college or something kuicho I thought ngicela ngithathe impela ushangevo yeah ne voice ye backup hayi yaka konjibandlela yama
Lead. Ladies that.
oh mamungaka ongaka enana mananje arabanchara chara bachanchara lo zadara bazota moya isingacula leyo part when ucula le umama begena bayabachita yecula leyo part le ama yeah guys, so ngizolo ke ntwana sawuyeka ngithi music sure boy ngizongakho yazi
Man tubele intsaka ayimakancane njaka. Ayimakancane njaka.
ntwana yami
Ayimakancane njaka. Ayimakancane njaka. Ayimakancane. Oh mama ulahlela into bathi la ngiyenzini. Ngithi something. Kuthi ufile ukuthi yenzakalani ka. Mabone serious no thanda. Ka khamba nika okay sharp. Abona ama communication skills ne. Aneva ntwana utshela umuntu ayini. Then expect ihaga or imenye ithola wrong.
I'm older brother.
Discount.
I'm an older brother.
I think so.
Ama
Kayi makancane. Eka mina confused.
Ungakali ke.
Eka man tukule ka khambani kan. Okay, wo khambani kan.
Music yakho isilele.
Ngashaka.
The music akayihambi. So much come back.
Ooh.
You get it? Come back. Not your music. Yeah, man. I'm sorry. Shake on.
Angifuni njaka.
I guess.
Eka tukule kenzakalani kan? Tika. Mani makancane ka wa. Nangizov
Blow my parts. Oh,
Ay,
blow
kawa.
my boy.
I'm not even
Boy.
sure ukuthi vele ngifike.
Daga manje umoshithathu yami.
Mntwana bami.
Engcono kune.
Kunini?
Aw. Khulu. Wakhulu futhi.
Mantana tukule mhlali khamba.
Okay, blow my parts ngizokutshela something.
Awumi kancane.
Bheka boy. Dama lakho.
Hayi lokhu like soxabana ntwana ngiyabona le ngiyavana ntwana. Maloku uqhubeka ka wa ntwana lokho ngikwatisa njalo. And kusexini ngangithanda. Sexini ka point kanje.
Ngiyongangena engomeni. Ngiyadlala mfana.
Udlala ini?
I-prank.
I-prank.
Ngi-YouTube abelu understand. So i-prank ntwana meyazi ingoma zakho on.
Nama.
Oh, Ojuto. Wena uvumelana nathi ngishoyo boss. Uthini kanti wena?
Eka mawuthi prank mele yenze beat. I-prank mele yenze.
Next, just go on with your day. I-prank guys, I nakava lapha kube i-prank. Fana ngizoprank akayi-1 nje empilweni nami ukuthi uze la e-channelini and then ngiyaprank ngithi ingoma zakho ziyela le yabe ngiplanile boy ngawari. it's a prank.
Lobangithi ndaba kuzoba kathi kawu.
No, anginamanga ngineqiniso.
Ngizengipha.
Uyazi mntwana yami.
Namanga kawu. Ekawu. Eklop. Ngondami uka wena.
Khululeka guys, aniyazi ngithi bafethu. Gunman guru. Ha yeah. Abazokuzwa mntwana yami.
Yeah, kawu.
Abazokuzwa bengidlala lapho, bengidlala. Uyazi mntwana wami ingoma zakho hayi honest. I'm honest ntwana. Yabo. So guys, nani lapha nimamelini ngithola. Utheva Guru
Gunman
Guru nala i-channel sizo drop music yakhe yonke senizothola lapha grand and then you know but otherwise you know fana pusher boy yeah yes mangathi ngirate ngoma zakho out of 10 ngibe honest no ngagaye young 8-9 yazi why and uzoshifting namanga sort of ezinye izinto like mele baqinise ku production wena compare ama voice nini voice you izoshaya kudlula sound nini sound izoshaya kudlula voice so mabanga master le part
no leya one leya ukuthi i1 year prank
bengidlala lapho
no like honest
no honest so nje mababa banga focus mntwana ukupheka leyo part leyo
yeah
mntwana uzoba limazi otherwise
yes
oh yeah yes prank mntwana yami guys this is the end of the video if you like the video comment share subscribe it's a nice video because ngabanda ngaphandle and vandaag ngifuna ukuzivalela so your boy notification alezi is see you tomorrow
sekasiton bafethu continental
hey
subscribe bani bafethu oh yeah bon
Danger ingozi.